What are the symptoms that you're possessed by jinn? Now all of you are gonna reflect upon this one. They came up with two conditions: when you're awake and when you're asleep. Let's begin when you're asleep. They say number one, when you have a lot of araq, that you try to sleep but you're not able to sleep. Like you're spending hours to sleep. But again, ya ikhwa, I'm not talking about one time, two times, three times. I'm talking about a range of a month, two, that you're trying to sleep but you're unable to sleep. That's number one. Or you sleep and then you wake up right away. You don't, the duration of time when you sleep is what? Is not long. That you see nightmares in your dreams. You see animals like dogs, lions, you know, animals that wanna, like you see an animal that wants what? To bite you. But again, ya ikhwa, not one time, two times. Don't come and say, we all see that. The other night I saw a black cat trying to bite me. Wallahi. I said, let go, let go. Yeah. But it was one time. We're talking about what range of what? That you see this for a while. Snakes, dogs, ghosts. While you're asleep at night, you're doing what? Grinding. You know, you're grinding your teeth. You're biting. Or you're laughing while you're asleep. Or crying. Or yelling loud, or you know, making that ah sound. Some people do like this. But again, in regular basis, ya ikhwa, not one time, two times. That you see yourself always in a high place about to fall down. That you see human in a very abnormal form, like a very tall man, like a skyscraper. Or a man who's what? Short. Again, like I said, a condition that you see this often, more than one time, in regular basis. طيب. What are the symptoms when you're awake? They say having headaches. But again, headaches that are not caused by what? By a medical reason. You went to the doctor, you did the scan, you did the x-rays. The doctor tells you, "Akhi, I don't know why you're having headache. You're good. I don't see anything wrong with your body." And you're still having headaches. That means this is caused by a jinn. You don't want to hear about Allah. A huge symptom, ya ikhwa. If the jinni is inside, because sometimes the jinni can be a Muslim. The jinni inside you is not Muslim, that you don't want to hear about Allah. Whenever somebody tells, "Qala Allah," said, "Brother, please, can we talk about this later, okay?" Some people do like this. Or when you go into the television and you come across the Quran, you say, "Ya akhi, change the channel, we're not going to listen to it." What are you going to watch then? Movie? You're like, "No, we're not going to listen to it, change it." And you play a tape for him in the car. While in the car, come on, get us an FM. It's a long way. So he doesn't want to hear the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Laziness. بيسموه الشرود الذهني هذا, like you're daydreaming, like you would be sitting but you're not there. You're like that people would be doing something and you're on another planet. "Hey, assalamu alaikum, I'm here." That type of thing. Seizures, a disease in a limb, and again there is no medical reason for it. So they say, if you have one symptom while you're asleep and two while you're awake, that means high potential for possession, and you need to do something about it. Now, like I said, ya ikhwa, here is the big issue. This is a disease, but a spiritual disease that can be cured and healed.